So hey guys, welcome back to the video, and this is the part 2 of the biomolecules, the chemical proportion of the cell. In the very first part we discussed about, here's the slide, we discussed about the proportion of the various elements in the cell. We discussed about there are 118 elements, and uh, okay, we have got 118 elements, and out of those we have got 92 naturally occurring, and 25 of them are found in living organisms, while 16 out of 25 compose, they are playing the role in the composition of the body. And that composition, the one which are playing role in composition are termed as the bioelements. And uh, there are also proportions of these elements present. We have got six major elements that are present to the proportion of 99 to 98% of the protoplasm. We have also got one that are minor bioelements that are from zero, from they are from under the less than 1%. So in today's video what we are looking into is this. uh, you know the last video discussed about the bioelements. So in the last video we discussed about this term, right? So in today's video we'll be looking into uh, biomolecules. Biomolecules, as we know that elements combined together, they form compounds or molecules. So of course these six elements are 99% to 98%, or even though the minor or trace elements, they do store in the body in the form of some sort of polymers, or you can say in form of molecules. As we know that they are making up the body, cells make up the body. So they make up a large unit, right? So we will be looking into the large units. So we have got similarly the large units, and there are five large units. We have got, for the one, we have got protein. Number two, we have got the carbohydrate. Number three, we have got the oxygen. Number four, we have okay, sorry, this is not the oxygen, this is basically the lipids. Oxygen is a What is oxygen? Oxygen is a bioelement. We are looking into biomolecules. Lipids, then we have got uh, the nucleic acid. And the fifth, that is the conjugated molecules. Okay, so let me tell you a thing. Wait a minute. Conjugated molecules. So let me tell you a thing, that the conjugated molecules in some of the book, it is not included. It is not mentioned as a other thing. It just comes under this all. So the book, the one which I'm using, is having a separate category for that. But don't take tension, we're looking into all of these, and we'll be looking into the concepts instead of going for the books. So I'm just making a table, uh, say a graph type table, and that will make you completely understand how they are present in what sort of forms these are present. And we will be looking into that. Let me make up that. Okay, so I'm done with the table, and this will make you quite clear about what I'm talking about. So let me start to explain you this. So here you're gonna see that we have got biomolecules. In this line we have got biomolecules. This is number one, this is number two. Number one is protein, number two is carbohydrate, number three is lipid. These are all biomolecules. We're looking into one by one into our upcoming lectures. What are these, and how, or what sort of monomers are these made of? So number four is nucleic acid, and these are the conjugated molecules. As I said, that these are something different from the above mentioned, the four above mentioned. So in this is the reason why some books do consider it under these. So because these are derived from the major four which are mentioned above. Okay, so don't get confused about why we have not looked into protein, carbohydrate, lipids, nucleic acid, because we will be looking into their very deep concepts in the upcoming videos. And now we are just looking into what how is the structure, and what are we are going to study. This all the names we are looking into here, we will be looking into that what are that in the upcoming videos. So here you're gonna see that uh, the protein, okay, so the blue is for the protein, and the green is for carbohydrate, gray is for lipid, and the multicolor, or say the some sort of different blue or green type color is for nucleic acid. First of all, let us move for the okay, so the first is protein plus carbohydrate, that is glycoprotein. Okay, so the blue one is protein is coming and carbohydrate coming. What when they remember the word that we do use carbo, we use gluco or glucose, consider you need to match up with that, and we need to say that glyco when we are using carbohydrate in many cases. So we just say that we have got glycoprotein when the protein and carbohydrate just combine. Okay, so in the next case of protein, we have got protein plus lipids, here gray and blue, right? So we got protein and lipid, we have got lipoprotein. Lipids got lipo and the protein is the same, we have got lipoprotein. In the case third, we have got protein and we have got nucleic acid, that they are making nucleoprotein. So moving forward, uh, the carbohydrate, so carbohydrate one is making the glycoprotein which we looked into. The secondly, it is making with the lipid, that is glycolipid, and thirdly it is making with the nucleic acid, that is glyconucleate, and the remaining is the lipid. So lipid is, as we looked into, glycolipid, that is making with the carbohydrate, and it is making with the protein, that is making the lipoprotein. If we do see into it, we are done with all, right? They are all mashed up. So nucleic acid is making the glyconucleide and the nucleoprotein. So that is all for the part 2, and we're looking into all these names coming over here in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, meet you for the next video. Goodbye.